Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a curly hair video for you guys. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you probably realized that you probably maybe didn't even know that I had curly hair. I straighten it every single day because I just don't like my curly hair. But today I'm going to show you my curly hair, and then I bought 2 new products for curly hair, and I'm going to try those on and kind of show you guys how it is. So if you guys would like to see this video, then just keep watching. So this is my hair right now. So obviously I straighten it every week, and this is my hair straightened. So I am going to wash my hair, and then I'll show you what it looks like wet, and then I will let it air dry with no products, and then I will show you what it looks like. Alright, so obviously I washed my hair, shampoo, conditioner, took it all out, kept a little bit of conditioner in my hair just because that's how I do it when I'm gonna be like not going out or anything, and like over the weekend like I'll keep my hair curly just because it's easy, it's good for my hair to do it. So I keep in a little bit of conditioner, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with no products at all, and you guys can see my hair is super curly. I brushed my hair, and then when I was done I did like a little bit of this, and then that is it. So I'm going to show you guys what it really looks like before everything dries. So I'm going to let this air dry, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. So here is my hair. It is dried, so it's pretty frizzy, and I mean, it's pretty good for not having any products into my hair. It's very curly, and like look at this down here. It's very curly. I did buy 2 things from Brad Mondo. He created like this huge line of curly haired products. They're pretty expensive to get all of them, so I didn't buy all of them. So I bought 2, so it was like $50 total. So I thought it was going to be totally worth it, so I wanted to try it to see how it is. I do, again, obviously you can see I have very curly hair, so I wouldn't ever wear it like this, like going somewhere. I feel very self-conscious when I have my hair curled. I feel like I'm a 12-year-old girl, and I just don't feel comfortable with it. Maybe if it wasn't so frizzy and like, I don't know. I guess, you know, it's a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I will show you guys my 2 products, and I'll put it all in, and then we'll dry it again, and we'll see how the difference is between. So again, no products. And yeah, alright, I am back. A new shirt. And I have my 2 products that I got. So I have the Mondo Hydrating Wave Cream, and then also the Wave Foam. So I'm very excited for these. I haven't even opened the packaging out of it so far, but we are going to get this done right now. So again, here's my curls right out of the shower, and I already brushed it. I do have my brush here. This is a different one. I used my wet brush right after I took my shower, and then now I'm going to be using this after I have all my cream and stuff in here. So in his website, you can see all of the products that he has and such like that. So it says to start off, or a lot of people that I've seen videos for have been starting it with the wave cream. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to let that come out first. I'm going to put that much. I don't know if that was enough. And I'm going to start it on my bottoms here. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like really good. I just added a little bit more, and I'm going to put it more at the top as well. I do usually put stuff at the top. I know you're not really supposed to, I feel like, but I'm doing it anyway. As you guys can see, I get my hair colored so it's a little more damaged, but this is what we got so far. Okay. I've added a couple extra more pumps twice, just 'cause I didn't want to put on too much. We'll see how it goes. Here it is with that. So I'm done with that, and I'm going to start having this one next. Again, this is the Wave Foam. I'm going to take that guy off. Alright, so that one looks like this, and I'm going to put a couple of pumps, I guess, and we'll see. Okay, I just put 4 pumps. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put in, and I'm going to start putting that in. Okay, so here are my curls as of right now. Alright, so I just put it all in, and I am just going to let this air dry. It's just a lot easier for me. So I will come back to show you guys the final look, and I'm very excited for it. I actually have really high hopes for this. Again, I normally don't usually wear my hair curly anyways, but if I like it and it looks good, then maybe I will start wearing it. So I will come back when my hair is all dry. Alright, Brad, now what? I ended up finding my diffuser, so I used it, you know how you diffuse, and this is what I got. It's a lot of hair. Now, where and when would I wear my hair like this? It's just like, it's just too much, is what I think. The products clearly worked really well. It is like not even frizzy at all, maybe just like a little bit, but like this is too much curl. I would never wear my hair like this. I just feel like, I feel when I wear my hair curly, especially looking at being this curly, I just feel like a loser. And I just feel like back to my days of high school, and like I just felt like a loser, and this is kind of like is how I'm feeling. I feel like maybe if I wore it in a bun that might be alright, but I couldn't be able to wear this with my hair like this, like going out in public. Or like that's how I feel. I'm sure people will be like, oh, I love your curls, look so great. It's just, it's too much. What do you guys think? Like if you saw me in the store or like going out somewhere, you wouldn't be like, oh my god, I love your hair. You'd be like, oh shit, she has a lot of hair. But these two products, you know, it did what it was supposed to do. I just feel like my hair is just a little bit too curly, and it just has too much, and it's just poofed up, is what I think. Let me know what you guys think. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see other videos. And yeah, I think that is it. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.